Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be going over another electric vehicle stock with you, but it doesn't actually produce electric vehicles. Instead, it's going to be producing the batteries that run these electric vehicles. This stock is Romeo Power Technology, and hopefully by the end of this video, you'll know a little bit about the company, a little bit about why I think this company is gonna take over the battery industry, and a little bit about the financials and future of the company. In terms of a brief overview of this company, it was founded in 2016 by a very experienced leadership team that formerly worked for large companies in the industry. And they have a very specific battery technology that they've been continuing to improve for the last several years. To be quite honest with you, I don't know a ton about how electric vehicle batteries work, but I do know that this chart shows the nominal energy per volume of their batteries, and this basically means the amount of energy that they can fit into their battery, otherwise known as the energy density of their battery. You can see that today this is around 235, and in just 10 years they plan to almost double this. Once again, I'm not 100% sure on the technology of this, but obviously, this is a key factor that other companies must consider when determining which battery they want to buy for their vehicle, because this is what provides the range of the electric vehicle. Currently in the market, they're around the top. You can see that their battery actually outcompetes bigger companies such as Tesla or Audi, or even Microvast, which is actually another SPAC stock that I considered covering, but decided that this one would be better because of this factor right here. The fact that they're already at the top of this chart and only have plans to continue to innovate and improve their battery is the reason that I think this company will stay at the top of this market. This is a very large industry, and so if they can stay at the top of this market, they're going to be making a lot of money. As you can see here, the global commercial vehicle industry is $665 billion. And the joy of buying a battery company versus buying a specific electric vehicle company is that they can cover all sorts of electric vehicles instead of having to choose whether your company is going to cover trucks or 18-wheelers or anything else. You can buy into a battery company that's going to cover all of them. Currently, this company has attracted some pretty high-class customers. You can see that they have customers such as BMW, Nikola, and Workhorse, and these are some of the top companies in the industry. And I only think that they'll continue to get more and more partnerships as their battery develops and as their name gets out there. You can see here that they currently have $310 million already secured through contracts, once again with companies such as Nikola and others. And this is only going to continue to grow with a 59% annual growth rate. Obviously, this is projected, but if it comes true, in just 5 years, they'll be making billions of dollars. Another one of the special things about their battery is that at the end of its life, you're able to recycle some of the materials. The reason why this is so important is that this green energy space is obviously very focused on being good for the planet. And so if they're able to advertise the fact that their battery is even better for the environment than some of the other competitors, that's something that's going to be able to sign them more contracts with bigger companies. I talked earlier a little bit about the very experienced leadership team that's running this company, and you can see here that they worked for companies such as Tesla, SpaceX, Ford, very large companies, and also very diverse companies. Another one of the things that I like about this graphic is that it shows you some of the other vehicles that they worked on. Obviously, the guy from Tesla helped produce the Roadster, Model S, and Model X, but it even goes as far as the Apache helicopter and the SpaceX Dragon rocket. So this isn't just an electric vehicle based leadership team. They have a very diverse leadership team that goes into defense and even space travel. I think this is one of the things that will make this company so innovative in the future because they have people with professional experience in all assets of many different industries, and I could even see their product expanding to something such as space in the future. So keep an eye on that, although that would likely be many, many years in the future. Here's a look at their financials for the future, and obviously I won't go over all of it for you, and you can pause the video right now if you want to take a closer look at it. But just looking at the general trend, everything is headed towards the positive. And by 2025, once again, they'll have almost $500 million in gross profit. This stock has an incredibly low valuation compared to some of these other electric vehicle stocks. If you look at something like Nikola, valued at 11 times its projected earnings in 2022, this stock is only 2.4 times, making it almost 6 times more valuable in terms of its actual money made to its price. I think this might be a great time to get into this stock. It's really young, and honestly, not a lot of people know about it yet. I think it has a clear path to get to the top of the industry due to the fact that its technology, quite honestly, just outperforms other companies. Another great thing about this stock is that you don't have to worry about it ever going out of style because electric vehicles are the future, and that's just a fact. I hope you went on to enjoy today's video and that you got all the information that you were promised. If you think you did, go ahead and leave a like down below to show your support, and subscribe if you don't want to miss any more videos like this one. But other than that, I'll see you in the next one.